Okay class, what is measurement? Measurement is the determination of physical quantity. Measurement is the determination of a physical quantity, length, volume, weight, time. So what is measurement? Measurement is the determination of a physical quantity. It can be length, volume, weight, time, temperature, and is assessed by units. Each unit is specific to. Length is measured in meters. Volume is measured by liters. Time is measured by seconds. Temperature is measured. It means that the determination of a physical quantity, which can be any length, volume, weight, and time, and it is normally assessed by unit, which is called, for example, length is measured in meters, the unit of volume is liter, the time unit is second, and the temperature unit is degree Celsius. Now here you can see that in this chapter we will discuss about the length, mass and volume. Here in this chapter we will discuss about length, mass and volume. As we know that today our topic is length, so today we will discuss about length. In length we measure length and height. What we do in length, we measure length and height. The unit of length is meter and centimeter. And how we measure? The measuring tools of length is ruler and measuring tapes. The measuring tools of length is ruler and measuring tape. In the same way, when we discuss about mass, what we do in mass, we measure mass or weight. In mass, we measure mass or weight. The unit of mass is kilogram and gram. And the measuring tool of mass is measuring scales. You can see in the picture, this is a measuring scale. And when we discuss about the volume, what we do in volume, we measure volume of a liquid. We measure the capacity of a liquid. The unit of volume is liter and milliliter. And the measuring tool is measuring cylinder. The measuring tool of volume is measuring cylinder. Now as we know that our today topic is length, so we will discuss today only length. The mass, weight and capacity we will inshallah discuss tomorrow. So here, what is length? Length is a straight dimension of an object. In length we measure how long an object is. How long an object is. Okay. The common unit to measure length are meter, inch, foot, yard, mile, etc. In the same way, people use foot to measure their height. For example, if we want to measure the height, so what we use the unit, we use foot. Normally we use foot, and we can also measure in centimeter also. Then the distance between cities are measured in kilometers or miles. The distance between cities are measured in kilometer or miles. Meter ruler is used to measure short length in centimeter or meter. For example, if we want to measure short length, so we use ruler, and it is the unit in the meter ruler is centimeter or meter. Okay, and for measuring the height we use foot. For measuring the distance for long distances we use kilometer, and for measuring small length we use centimeter or meter unit. Okay, beta, got it? Everybody open your camera and focus your camera on your face. All students are requested to please open your cameras. Now, here you can see we measure small things in millimeter. For example, paper clip, insect, or pencil. What we use for measuring small thing in millimeter. The unit of millimeter is double M, mm, small m. For now, if we want to measure the people's height, what we use centimeter and meter. We use centimeter and meter. Here for people's height we will not use millimeter. Now here you can see we measure a long distance in kilometer, and the unit of kilometer is km. The unit of kilometer is km. We all when we write the unit we write in the small letters, okay, in lower letter case, okay, don't write in the capital form. We write the unit in small letters. So here you can see that for a small thing we use millimeter, for people height, for normal thing we use centimeter or meters, and for long distance we use kilometer. Okay. Now here we can see that millimeter we use for very small objects. For example, paper pin, razor, sharpener, any small insect, any small object. Then come to centimeter. Centimeter is used for small objects. For example, the length of pencil, the length of paper, the length of book, copy. For this we use centimeter. Then come to meter. The unit of meter is m, small m, and it is used for bigger objects and longer length. For example, the length of blackboard, the length of desk, the length of window or door, In the same way, if we want to know the length for longer length or distance, we use kilometer. We use kilometer. The unit of kilometer is small km. For example, if we want to know the distance of from one city to another city, we will not use meter or centimeter. We will use here kilometer. Okay, we will find the distance in kilometer. Now, what are the unit and abbreviation of the length? What are the unit and abbreviation of length? As we have studied earlier, that the unit of length are centimeter, millimeter, meter, and kilometer. And in a small form, in short form, we write cm, mm, m, and kilometer. In short form, we will not write complete kilometer, we write km. For meter, we use small. Now here, in this lecture, we will see that how to convert the measurements of length. How to convert the measurement of length. For conversion, we should know the units of length, that how much centimeter and millimeter and kilometer are equal to each other. So here you can see millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter. It means that 10 millimeter make 1 centimeter. The smallest unit of length is millimeter. 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter. Then 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. And 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. For example, if there is 1000 meter, it means that it is equals to 1 kilometer. Now, here in this slide you can see, if we want to convert kilometer into meter, it means from bigger land to smaller land, what we will do, we will multiply by 1000. Why we are multiplying by 1000? Because 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, and kilo mean 1000. Kilo mean 1000. So if we want to convert kilometer into meter into smaller land, what we will do, we will multiply by 1000. In the same way, if we want to convert meter into centimeter, now we are converting meter into further smaller unit, centimeter. So as we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, so we will multiply by 100. Now here we will not multiply by 1000, here we will multiply by 100. Okay, then if we want to convert now, if we want to convert centimeter to millimeter, it means that we are further converting into smaller unit. So what we will do, we will multiply by 10. Why we are multiplying by 10? Because 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. Now here, if we want to convert smaller unit to bigger unit, if we want to convert the smaller unit to bigger unit, here you can see, if we want to convert the smallest unit to bigger unit, for example millimeter to centimeter, what we will do, we will divide by 10. Here we will divide by 10. Why we are dividing by 10? Because 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. Okay, Then if we want to convert, Aram Khalid, beta sit properly. You are continuously disturbing me. Now sit properly and listen carefully what I am explaining you. Because after this I will upload the Google quiz and you will do it by yourself. Those who will listen carefully, they will be able to do the test. So now, if we want to convert centimeter into meter, it means that we are converting the smaller unit to bigger unit. So what we will do, we will divide by 100. Why we are dividing by 100? Because 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. That's why we are dividing by 100. We are not dividing here by 1000 or 10. Because the relation between meter and centimeter is 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Then if we want to convert meter to kilometer, it means that we are converting a smaller unit to bigger unit. So what we will do, we will divide by 1000. Here why we are dividing by 1000? Because we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. That's why we are dividing by 1000. For all these conversion, you should know the relation between these units. For example, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Got it, beta? Now here we will learn how to convert this length into meter only. How we will convert this length into meter only? Here the question is given 7 kilometer 235 meter. 7 kilometer 235 meter. So what we will do? We have to convert this kilometer meter into meter only. So first of all we will write the standard. We know that 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. We know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So first of all we will write the standard, and now we will come here. You can see 7 kilometer 235 meter. Yes, here you can see that first of all we will convert 7 kilometer into meter, because the question is convert this length, convert this kilometer into meter only. So first of all we will convert this kilometer into meter only. 235 is already in meter, so we will not touch 235 meter. We will convert this 7 kilometer into meter. As we know that 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. So what we will do here, so what we will do, we will convert this 7 kilometer into meter. 235 is already in meter, so we will not touch it. We will just convert this 7 kilometer into meter. So what we will do, we will multiply by 1000, because we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. That's why we are multiplying 7 by 1000. Okay, so the answer we will get here? 7000 meter plus 235 meter. We have not touched 235 meter because 235 is already in meter. We have converted this kilometer into meter. Now the both part is already in meter. So what we will do here, we will add these numbers and we get the answer 7235 meter. We get the answer in meter. Okay beta, we get the answer here in meter. We can add this 7000 meter and 235 meter and we get the answer 7235 meter. Got it? Everybody got it beta? And any difficulty in this question? No. Here the question is Here the question is in meter, and now they say convert these length into kilometer and meter. The question is in meter and we will convert these length into kilometer and meter. We will do it in the same way. First of all, we will write the standard. What is the standard? What is the standard? Since 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, we will write the standard first, and now we will write the question here. 1458 meter is equals to, now what we will do, we will separate 1000 and 100 into two parts. We will separate this 1000 into one part and separate this 100 numbers into another part. Okay, so what we will do, we will convert 1 multiplied by 1000 meters. Here you can see that we have divide this 1458 meter into two parts. We have divided this into 1000 and 100 into two parts. Okay, so one multiplied by 1000 meter plus 458 meter we will write as it is. Okay, because it is already in meter, we will not touch it and we will just convert this 1000. Okay, so here we will write here so what we will do here now, one 1000 meter plus 458 meter. 1000 meter plus 458 meter. Now we can convert easily 1000 meter into kilometer, because we know that 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. So that's why in place of 1000 meter we will write here 1 kilometer plus 458 meter we will write as it is, because we cannot convert this meter into kilometer because it is less than 1000. Because this is less than 1000, so that's why we will write as it is and we will convert just this 1000 into kilometer. Okay beta, got it? Now everybody take out any loose sheet. If you have any loose sheet, do it with me, because your copies are with us for checking. So if you have any loose sheet, do it with me. So now what we will do, they have said that convert these land into meter only. Convert these land into meter only. So here question is 3 kilometer 56 meter. What we will do, first of all we will write the standard. First of all we will write, very good Hashi, very nice. But tell me the standard of the length. Tell me the standard of length. What we will write here first of all? Tell me in the chat box beta. Everybody tell me in the chat box that what is the standard of the length. For solving this sum, first of all what we will write here? Yes, who will tell me what is the standard of? Yes beta. Tell me in the chat box that what is the unit or standard of this length. What we will write here? what we will write here? First of all, we will write here since 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Everybody do it in any loose sheet with me. Your copy are with us, so please take out any loose sheet and do it in your loose sheet, okay? And try to solve it by yourself. Open your cameras. Everybody open your cameras. Everybody open your cameras and do your work with me. 3 kilometer 56 meter is equals to 3 multiplied by 1000 meter. 3 multiplied by 1000 meter. What we have done? We have divided this 3 kilometer and 56 meter into two parts. 56 is already in meter, so we will not touch 56 meter. We will just convert this 3 kilometer into meter. Okay, 56 meter is already in meter, so we will not touch it, and we will convert this 3 kilometer into meter. So for converting 3 kilometer, what we will do? We will multiply by 1000. We will multiply by 1000. Now here what we will do? 3 multiplied by 1000 is equals to 3000 meter plus 56 meter. 56 meter is already in meter. So what we will do? We will now the 3 kilometer is already has been converted into meter. So we can easily add these numbers. 3000 meter plus 56 meter, and we get the answer. (3056 meter). Okay beta, 3056 meter. What you are supposed to do? You will do this sum in any loose sheet by yourself. Okay, you will do this sum by yourself for practice, because your copies are with us, so you will not write anything in your any other copy. You will write in the loose sheet and try to solve it by yourself. This is the first question. Convert this length into meter only. You will do it by yourself in any loose sheet. Okay, now come to another question. Here what we will do here, convert these length into kilometer and meter. The question is, no beta, it is not example, it is a question which you are supposed to do in any loose sheet. Okay, example I have explained before. Now I am doing the copy work. So what you will do? You will do it in your any loose sheet. Okay, you will do it in any loose sheet. Okay, this is the another question number number 2. One is already I have explained you. Now we are going to do question number 2. Convert these length into kilometer and meter. So for converting, we will first of all write the standard. Since 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. For any conversion, always write first of all in standard. Okay, always write standard first. Without standard, your marks will not be given. Always write standard first and then solve the question. Question is 4078 meters. So first of all, we will divide into two parts. We will separate 1000 and meter into two parts. Here you can see that we have to divide this question into two parts, 1000 and into meters. So what we will do here? 4 multiplied by 1000 meter. Why we are multiplying? Because 4 kilometer is equal to 4000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 4 kilometer is equal to 4000 meter. Here you can see we have multiplied 4 by 1000, and now the answer we got here 4000 meter. And we have not touched this 78 meter because it is already in meter. So we will just write as it is. And now after adding, what answer we will get here? Tell me beta, after adding what answer we will get here? What answer we will get here? Yes beta, tell me in the chat box that what answer we will get here after adding these two numbers. Yes, who will tell me the answer? Afsa, Hareem, Nabia, I am going to unmute you and you will tell me, okay? Yes, Mohammed Usman, you will tell me the answer? Okay, unmute yourself. Yes beta, tell me. Mohammed Usman, beta tell me what answer we will get here. Yes Usman, tell me. Yes, where go? जी बेटा बताइए.
Is the answer? The answer would be 4078 meter.
Very nice. 4078 meter.
Miss 4 kilometer. Miss 4 kilometer 78 meter.
Yeah, so because we are supposed to convert this meter into kilometer, so we will write here in place of 4000, 4 kilometer, and 78 meter we will write here as it is, because 78 is less than 1000, so we will not convert this. Okay beta, now listen carefully. Here we have converted now this 4000 meter into kilometer, and 78 meter is already in the meter form, so we will not convert it. So we get the answer here 4 kilometer 78 meter. Okay. Now what we will do after this lecture, I will upload the quiz. Okay, I will upload the quiz in the Google Classroom. What you will do, you will solve it by yourself. Okay, and check that whether you have got this lecture properly or not. Okay, you are not supposed to write any work in your copy because your copies are with us. You can solve these two questions in any loose sheet, okay? And I will upload the quiz after this lecture in the Google Classroom. What you will do, you will solve it in the Google form and check that whether you have got this lecture or not. Okay beta? If you have any problem, you can ask me in the chat box, okay? Remember the unit and the conversion. Okay, it is very important. So till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you, beta. Fi aman Allah. Beta, I will upload it in the Google Classroom. You can solve it from here there. Okay, I am uploading it. Okay, there you can solve it.